Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the LUCID 10-inch gel memory foam mattress. More specifically, the medium firmness. They make a firm, a medium, and a medium plush. This is the medium one. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just based on my experience, let you know what I thought about it. One other thing I should mention real quick too is I actually found a pretty good deal on it, and I'll put a link below in the description so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So LUCID make really good mattresses. They've been around for a while, and they've got a good reputation of very good quality for the money. One thing you'll notice about this mattress right off the get-go is how affordable it is. Pretty mind-blowing, actually, how cheap it is. I kind of didn't expect it to be near as good as it is. I thought for the money it's going to be kind of hokey or cheap. Not the case at all. It's extremely comfortable, very, very well made. This was easily on par with like your Tuft and Needle style mattresses, which cost 3 to 4 times as much. You get 2.5 inches of the gel memory foam on top. It is a vented surface too, which is really nice. As most maybe you know, a lot of the old memory foam mattresses were very bad for air getting through. It would be very sweaty. You'd wake up sweaty. They're hot. This is not the case at all. It's very well vented. Anyway, 2.5 inches of the memory foam, and then 7.5 inches of the more high density foam, which is not memory foam. But I will say, it has a very memory foam feel to it. It's an extremely comfortable mattress. It tends to conform to your body very, very well. You don't bottom out on it or anything like that. Very comfortable overall. It ships inside a big box it's rolled up and compressed basically into a big like burrito that you roll out and cut the thing open, and then all the air gets sucked back into it. It says it takes about 24 to 48 hours to fully open up. I'd say 12 hours it's really kind of ready to go. You can definitely sleep on it the first night if you get it early enough in the morning, or if it's late, just the next day. But yeah, like any memory foam mattress or any mattress in general, it's still very subjective as far as what people think are comfortable. I might think this is an extremely comfortable mattress. Somebody else might hate it. Although based on if you look at all the Amazon reviews, it carries like a 4 out of 5 star rating with over 8,000 reviews, and it's one of their best sellers. So odds are you'll probably like it. But the nice thing is, if you don't, you can always return it, no questions asked, which is really nice. But yeah, anyway, really love this thing. I fully recommend it. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.